What did you YouTube supports? Keep back to another reaction. Today's reaction to Busu. I've been coughing blood produced by Teo Sweden. I haven't heard this track, but a lot of y'all been telling me to react to Busu also. Y'all say he's a back. Every track he makes is a banger, so I'm excited to see what this man's about. Busu, bro, impressed me. And Teo, I'm excited to hear the beat also, bro. So let's get straight to this reaction. Can't get the anything. Turn the reach, relax. Hold up. Check out this man's guy. Okay, hold up.
Another Eurogang classic.
Okay.
Blood red stains, don't worry about that. Goal is red, yellow tape and a black.
Okay.
I don't think we don't talk about that. I don't think we don't talk about that. Blood red eyes, don't worry about that. Goal is red, yellow tape and a black.
Okay.
I don't think that I can take back. I don't think that I can take back. Baby doesn't know yet. Told your boy in those name shades. Got cope, so I'm smoking. You're surprised that I'm coughing. Bring the calls to the coffin. So much blood in my vomit. Medicine turning violet. Yeah, ayy. The urge got me violent. Do my best trying to fight it. Plug, hit me back with silence. Ay, ignoring me. Lately I've been feeling for that nicotine. Blood red stains, don't worry about that. Goal is red, yellow tape and a black. I don't think we don't talk about that. I don't think we don't talk about that. Blood red eyes, don't worry about that. Goal is red, yellow tape and a black. I don't think that I can take back. I don't think that I can. Kiss burn me real bad. Blisters on my lips, they hurt. Ask me if I'm feeling that. Ask you if you split with me. White lies are nothing you share. White lies only thing we share. Give me feels that I never cash. I don't know if you even care. Ay, almost been done, and on another one. Pick up your blood. Ay, why do you do me wrong? Play a peanut bubble gum, glitter in the dark. Wish I could be alone. You ain't what I want. Off of this jar, start up in your lungs. Ay, I bet you mash your soul. I bet it mash your heart.
Busu, bro, I'm a fan, bro. Your style is so freaking nice. It's like trap punk, bro, with a hint of R&B, bro. Enjoyed that track. I see where Juice WRLD got his style from because, bro, Busu, bro, I like this track. This track was a banger, bro. I'm definitely have to check out more of your music to see what you're doing on them, bro. But for a first reaction from you, bro, this was a banger track. Love this track. Teo, bro, that beat was A1 too, bro. Hope y'all keep doing your thing, Busu. I'ma definitely get more to your music, bro. But if you did enjoy, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. Let me know what you thought in the comment section down below. And if you do have any other reaction or something in the comment section, I read every single comment and I will get to yours when I can, bro. I'm out.